Hello everybody. I recently used my spare BMW Key FOB to start my car. I was presented with this message on the dashboard: low key fob battery. So I figured simple enough, I'll just replace the battery. I was surprised to find there's no battery door on the back of my key. So I thought maybe you just pry the halves apart to replace the battery. But it turns out I do not have comfort access. And comfort access has a replaceable battery and a removable battery door compartment. If you don't have comfort access, you have a rechargeable battery, which is not replaceable. So apparently, because this is my spare key and I've had it sitting in a drawer, the battery has discharged, so it's almost dead. So how does it recharge? It recharges when you put it in the slot of the car and drive the car around. But there's another way to do it. So I looked for a temporary solution that I could charge my key overnight until I could put the key in the slot in the morning. And here's what I did. Grab your electric toothbrush charger, and I took my key and I just laid it on the top of this and I let it sit overnight. The next morning, put it in the car. It's been fine ever since. You could also use your cordless charger for your cell phone. Those charging pads, just lay the key on the pad overnight, or find your electric toothbrush charger, set your key on top of it, let it sit there overnight, and your battery will probably be recharged. This key happens to be for 2012, which I bought in May of 2011, and it is now December of 2020. So call that 9 years. But the battery's still taking a charge. It's been working fine. So if you found this video entertaining or informative, how about a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.